Are you looking for a professional graphic design instructor, photo editor, branding specialist, video editor, and motion graphic designer? If so, you are in appropriate place. Hi, I am Muhammad. I graduated from Art Fine Faculty in 2022. I worked as a graphic designer in various companies. For our 5 years, I am teaching graphic design in different academies. My teaching method is practical, that constantly consists student expectation. You will learn 0 to 100% graphic design in my class. In Adobe Photoshop, you will learn photo manipulation, photo editing, photo retouching, photo restoration. In Adobe Illustrator, you will learn branding identity and etc. In Adobe Premiere Pro, you will learn professionally edit different videos. In Adobe After Effects, you will learn to design motion graphic and visual effects. Are you ready to learn new things? If so, I am seeing you in my class.